It's a beautiful day here in Colorado, and it's Friday, and you know what? I'm f***ing leaving! We're going to California, and we're going to Cars and Copters. But right now, I'm just waiting on, guess who? His name is Jacob, and his apprentice. And it's like 2:30 and we're supposed to be on the road right now heading down to California, but they're not here yet, so all I can do is just sit here and plug my merch. This is a nice hat, camouflage. You can get it at www.highaltitudetrucks, and it's 35 bucks. But guess what, we're gonna run a sale, 10% off the whole store. You guys go crazy. Use the promo code, what should the promo code be? Fury Tires. That's right, Fury Tires. You use it on the website, you get 10% off, guys. 10%. That's a good discount right there. Well, we took a pit stop and now we're staying in Vegas. We are gonna go to Las Vegas. I mean, geez, we're in Las Vegas, and yeah, now we're going to Los Angeles. Yeah, Beverly Hills. See, what I like is that we have a turd of a vehicle, and they valeted the turd literally in the front of the Bellagio. 4-hour drive off to Beverly Hills. Here we go, Rodeo Drive.
One person says montage, and then we end up staying here.
Yes.
Wonder who that was.
Good idea, Mike.
Good choice. So we're staying at the Montage in Beverly Hills, and outside of our hotel rooms, Lamborghini SVJ. First order of business is we're gonna go to Louis and tell them that my dog ate my sunglasses and f***ed them all up, so I need to see if they can bend them back or something. And this is just for you. We got Mr. Instagram investigator himself over here. Apparently, the SVJ that's at our hotel is possibly Lil Pump's. Lil Pump, is that how you pronounce it? Lil Pump. And then there was a yellow LaFerrari. We're gonna turn this corner and maybe it'll still be here. But apparently that one is Drake's. So we're gonna find out if it's still here. Well, that's pretty much gonna wrap up today. We might go to the beach. I don't think I'm gonna bring the vlog camera down. I got these dope sunglasses, and we did some shopping. We saw some cool cars. One thing you got to be careful about in California is not getting ran over. People don't respect pedestrians here. Is that a 720? I like this color.
One of my favorite vehicles.
Yeah, I agree. And that color is dope.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to High Altitude Trucks. If you're new here, I'm Mike, and this is High Altitude Trucks. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button. We just stayed at the Montage. This is Lil Pump's Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. Drake's LaFerrari was here, and we're heading to Cars and Copters. It was a rough night last night, but we're getting through it. This is how we roll, guys. We freaking valet the flatbed dually at the montage with the Lamborghini.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Join number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though.
Well, guys, we made it out to Cars and Copters. And it's on Huntington Beach, which is sweet. And we're gonna check out some dope cars. So if you guys notice something about this car, it's extremely pearly. The reason of that is because this is legitimate crushed up diamonds. I'm just chasing Alex Troy.
Yes.
You're that Anthony guy. You're coming to Utah soon.
Me, yes.
Yes, that's you. That's right, guys. Anthony. Vlogs on vlogs.
This is it. Come in from Utah, get to ride an LP640. This is just life right here. Just living it, okay? I gotta hear this. I gotta hear this.
Well guys, that is a wrap for Cars and Copters. The parking lot is pretty much cleared out and it's actually kind of cold out here. Leaving the beach. And we're gonna go drive to Vegas for the night. And yeah, that's about it. Dude, what the hell are these guys still haven't left? Are they sitting in their cars? Really? Or did they get out? No, they got out. That's a wrap on Cars and Copters. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys on the next video.